Hi and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Friday the 22nd of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at 10 Tech Markets. My final chart I'm going to look at today is gold, and this gold chart is a little bit choppy. It certainly has been in the last few days really, since this big red candle sort of reconfirmed the trading range that we've seen over the past few weeks. Reaction has been fairly choppy and momentum indicators fairly neutral, so it is all part of a ranging process, and in ranging process within a ranging play you do tend to get a lot of false signals. And what we've seen is this morning a sharp move to the upside, about an hour ago, less than an hour ago actually, sharp move to the upside, and we've seen that move just consolidate again back towards the back into the range that we'd been trading in for the past few days. Now that move above sort of like the 12.13 resistance area hit a high of 12.14.70 and just retraced again, so we're back in this range play. You've seen the RSI on the hourly chart hit 70, which sort of suggests when you're in a range, you would imagine that the hourly RSI would sort of go towards the extremes, and then sort of you could potentially play those extremes. So that is what we've seen in the last hour or so, is the fact the RSI hit 70 on the hourly chart, bang, down again. So that is something that we could start to think about trading, because I think this is going to become quite a messy chart with a lack of real conviction either way. You're going to get false signals up and down, and I think that because of that you've got to trade it as a range play. So at the moment we're trading above the 1200 level, which is an old pivot level that we've got on this chart. Found a low of 1201.40 yesterday, so 1200 is obviously your sort of near-term pivot level. So trading above that, you could argue, sort of moves back towards 1200, a chance to buy, maybe using that RSI on the hourly chart as a chance to sell. But again, the stochastic, I mean, looking even now, stochastics as well, you could possibly use. Stochastics have rolled over, about to give a sell signal. If I zoom in, about to give a crossover sell signal. So yeah, so there are sort of ways to play this, but I think it is going to be quite a messy chart in the near term, and I don't really see much conviction behind any of the moves that we've seen in the last few days. Rather sort of mixed bag of candlesticks there you've got going on. So it's not going to be particularly easy playing gold on a sort of basis of over a few days. Maybe trade it on an intraday basis, using that hourly RSI as your guide. But I wish you good luck in your trading nonetheless, and I will speak to you again on Tuesday. Thank you.